In this recipe, I'm going to be showing you how to make pancake donut for your kid before he goes to school. It's fast, it's yummy, it's delicious, and your kid will enjoy having his breakfast. In this recipe, I'm going to be using sugar, milk, 1 egg, baking powder, salt, all-purpose flour, and vanilla essence. That is all I'm going to be using. So in a large bowl, I'll add my all-purpose flour, next I'll add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, baking powder, a 1/3 cup sugar. We want our donuts to be really yummy. Then I'm going to use my whisk and whisk together all the ingredients so that they can combine well. Once that is done, I'm going to keep this aside. Then I'll make my wet ingredients. I'm going to add my milk, vanilla, and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Then I'm going to crack my egg into my wet ingredients. You can check all the ingredients listed in the description box down below. So I'll use my whisk and whisk to combine my wet ingredients. Then I'll put this aside, take my dry ingredients, then I'll pour in my wet ingredients. Whisk. And make sure to whisk the bottom of the bowl. This is how it's looking and there are no lumps. As you whisk your batter, you're going to preheat your donut maker. Also check out my Instagram page at infoods_special because I have very good content over there. There's a link in the description box down below. In this recipe, there are 2 secret ingredients that your child or your kid will surely enjoy. So I'm going to be using sprinkles and chocolate chips. You know how kids love color. They will be eating their breakfast in a matter of minutes because they are sprinkles. And another thing, children love chocolate, and even me, I love chocolate. So your child will surely enjoy the donut. This recipe is a trick to make your child enjoy breakfast more than the usual breakfast. So my donut maker is ready. So I'm going to use my small ice cream scoop because my donut maker is mini. They're mini donuts. Then I'll add my butter into my tin. Then now it's time to add my chocolate chips and sprinkles. So you can add as many as you like or as little as you like, but children love chocolate and sprinkles, so make sure to add a generous amount. Sprinkles. Then I use my skewer and try to push the chocolate chips to the bottom or to the inside. So this is a very quick process because you are Donut maker is already hot. Then I'll close the lid. Then I'll let my donut maker make the donuts. My first round of donut is ready. I'm going to use another clean skewer. Look how gorgeous they are. Then I'm going to add my next round. So you can make these donuts in the evening if the children are going to school early. And if you have time also, you can make them in the morning, very fast. So this is my last batch of donuts. They are looking amazing and they're smelling amazing. So I'll give one a try. Also, a very good thing about this donut is that they are mini. So even toddlers can enjoy this because you just give him this and he will enjoy because it's not large, and also because it has surprises on the inside. As you can see on the inside, it's very chocolatey. You can also make this recipe for the fuzzy eaters. Once he notices the chocolate and the sprinkles every day, he'll be requesting for these donuts. So your kid can enjoy these donuts with a cup of tea, hot milk or juice, whatever you give your child in the morning, and he will surely enjoy. So I hope you make these amazing, delicious pancake donuts.